To make a key for this vehicle, all we need is our AK9E Plus connected to our computer with the AK9E software on, and this plug, and we're gonna go ahead and connect. Our chip is a 0D46J, and we're gonna go ahead and plug our connector right here. Not sure if it's plugged. We'll try to read. Connect. And it's reading. When it makes this beeping noise, that means it's reading. Alright, we can go ahead and save our file. EWS3. We get our key now. This is our key. Test key. Unknown key type. Let's try it again. Unknown key type, okay. And now we go ahead and we hit read EWS again. I'm only reading it again because whenever I have a chance to read something again, I do it just to double check. Alright, perfect. Looks like we have it. And then we have right key. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4 used. And we have the rest of them not used. I'll go to number 9. And we select our chip right here. 9, right key. Put key into coil. Writing key. Right key, okay. Perfect. Now our key is done. We can test the key again. And here we go. It says key number 9, VIN is there, EWS3, 4, and our key is done. All we need to do is to cut the blade to match the vehicle, and we'll be good to go. The remote section could be programmed manually on the vehicle.